Top 5 Essential Vitamins for Maintaining Muscle Mass in Seniors. As we age, one thing becomes crystal clear. If you don't take care of your muscles, they won't take care of you. But what if I told you that just a few key vitamins could mean the difference between strength and frailty? Stick around, because today we're breaking down the top 5 essential vitamins every senior needs to maintain muscle mass, stay active, and feel strong. No gym membership required. Muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia, can sneak up on us after age 50. It leads to weakness, poor balance, slower metabolism, and even greater risk of falls. But here's the good news. With the right vitamins, you can slow down muscle loss, support recovery, and even rebuild strength. And the best part? These nutrients are often overlooked, but they're absolutely critical. Let's count down the top 5 muscle-saving vitamins you need to know. And make sure to stay for number 1. It's the most underrated yet game-changing vitamin for aging muscles. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps us reach more people who need this info. This video is for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Vitamin number 5. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12, often dubbed the energy vitamin, is indispensable for seniors aiming to maintain muscle mass and overall vitality. Beyond its well-known role in red blood cell formation, B12 is crucial for neurological function and DNA synthesis. A deficiency can lead to muscle weakness, fatigue, and impaired balance, increasing the risk of falls and injuries. Alarmingly, vitamin B12 deficiency is prevalent among older adults. Studies indicate that approximately 20% of individuals over 60 may be deficient in this essential nutrient, with rates potentially reaching up to 40% in certain populations. This heightened risk is often due to age-related decreases in stomach acid production, which is necessary for B12 absorption. Conditions like atrophic gastritis, affecting 10 to 30% of older adults, further impair this absorption process. Medications commonly prescribed to seniors can exacerbate the issue. For instance, long-term use of proton pump inhibitors and metformin has been linked to reduced B12 levels. Given that B12 is primarily found in animal products such as fish, meat, poultry, eggs, and dairy, vegetarians and vegans are at an even greater risk of deficiency. The consequences of inadequate B12 levels are significant. Beyond muscle-related symptoms, deficiency can lead to neurological changes, including numbness or tingling in the hands and feet, balance issues, and cognitive disturbances. Left untreated, it can result in irreversible neurological damage. To combat this, seniors should prioritize B12 intake through diet and consider fortified foods or supplements, especially if they have absorption issues or dietary restrictions. Regular screening for B12 levels is advisable, particularly for those over 60 or on medications affecting absorption. Early detection and intervention can prevent the adverse effects associated with deficiency, supporting muscle strength, neurological health, and overall well-being. Vitamin number 4. Vitamin C, the collagen connector. Most people know vitamin C as the go-to for immune support. Got the sniffles? Grab some orange juice. But here's what many don't realize. Vitamin C is a heavy hitter when it comes to muscle health, especially as we age. This powerful antioxidant plays a key role in the production of collagen, the protein that holds your muscles, tendons, ligaments, and joints together. Think of collagen as the scaffolding that keeps everything in your body strong and supported. Without enough vitamin C, that structure starts to weaken, making recovery slower and the risk of injury higher. Vitamin C also protects your muscle cells from oxidative stress, the kind of wear and tear damage that builds up over time and accelerates muscle loss. According to a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, older adults with higher vitamin C levels had significantly better skeletal muscle mass compared to those with lower levels. That's a big deal when you're trying to stay mobile and independent. And here's a bonus. Vitamin C helps your body absorb iron, which is critical for getting oxygen to your muscles. No oxygen, no power. Best sources? Load up on bell peppers, citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits, strawberries, and broccoli. These colorful foods don't just brighten your plate, they help keep your muscles strong, flexible, and ready for action. Vitamin C isn't just for colds, it's your muscle maintenance partner for the long run. Vitamin number 3, vitamin E, the cellular protector. Let's talk about a vitamin that works behind the scenes but makes a powerful impact. Vitamin E. This nutrient doesn't just sit quietly in your system. It's constantly protecting your muscles on a cellular level, like a security guard standing watch 24/7. As we age, something called oxidative stress starts to wear down our cells, including those in our muscles. This stress comes from free radicals, unstable molecules that damage healthy tissue over time. Vitamin E, being a fat-soluble antioxidant, fights those free radicals head-on, helping reduce inflammation and slow down muscle degeneration. Research backs it up. A study in free radical biology and medicine found that vitamin E plays a key role in muscle membrane repair. Without it, muscle cells struggle to heal after even mild activity, like climbing stairs or going for a walk. That healing slowdown can lead to longer recovery times and more aches and stiffness after everyday movements. You'll find vitamin E in foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and avocados. Simple, wholesome options that pack a powerful punch. But be cautious with high-dose supplements. More isn't always better. In fact, natural food sources are your best bet. The takeaway? Vitamin E helps keep your muscles resilient, your recovery faster, and your body better protected from the natural wear and tear of aging. Vitamin number 2, vitamin D, the strength hormone. Vitamin D isn't just a vitamin, it acts more like a hormone. And when it comes to aging muscles, it's nothing short of essential. You probably know vitamin D helps your bones absorb calcium, but here's the bigger picture. It plays a direct role in muscle strength, balance, and coordination. In fact, muscle cells have vitamin D receptors built right into them. When those receptors are activated, your muscles contract more effectively and recover more quickly. Low on vitamin D? You might feel tired, weak, or unsteady on your feet, and you're not alone. Research shows that up to 60% of adults over 65 are deficient in this crucial nutrient. A 2013 study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that older adults with low vitamin D levels had significantly reduced muscle strength and were at a much higher risk of falls. The best natural source? Sunlight. Just 15 to 30 minutes a day can help your body produce what it needs. But depending on where you live, your skin tone, or how often you're outdoors, food and supplements may be necessary too. Top food sources include fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, fortified milk, egg yolks, and mushrooms. And yes, sometimes a high-quality supplement is the most reliable way to maintain healthy levels, especially during the darker winter months. If you want to stay strong, steady, and independent as you age, vitamin D is non-negotiable. It's not just about bones, it's a powerhouse for muscle health too. Vitamin number 1, vitamin K2. Now here's one that flies under the radar. Vitamin K2. It doesn't get the spotlight like vitamin D or C, but it should. Because when it comes to aging muscles, circulation, and bone strength, K2 is the quiet hero holding it all together. First, let's clear something up. Vitamin K isn't just one thing. There's K1, found in leafy greens, which helps with blood clotting. Then there's K2, which works very differently. Its job? Guiding calcium to the right places, like your bones and muscles, and keeping it away from the wrong places, like your arteries. Why does that matter for your muscles? Because strong blood flow is everything. Your muscles need oxygen, nutrients, and proper circulation to stay active and recover well. K2 supports vascular health, keeping those blood vessels flexible and clear, so your muscles get the fuel they need to thrive. Even more exciting? Emerging research published in Nutrients suggests that K2 may support mitochondrial function in muscle cells. In plain terms, it helps your muscle cells produce energy more efficiently. That means better performance, less fatigue, and a slower decline in muscle mass as you age. Top sources of K2 include natto, a fermented soybean dish popular in Japan, as well as egg yolks, hard cheeses, butter from grass-fed cows, and chicken thighs. But here's the catch. Most Western diets are low in K2, which is why it often goes unnoticed. This vitamin may not have the star power of D or C, but it's quietly doing the heavy lifting, supporting your bones, your blood vessels, and yes, your muscles too. Want to age strong, stay mobile, and protect your muscle power long-term? Don't overlook vitamin K2. It just might be the missing link. Remember, staying strong as you age isn't about lifting heavy weights or running marathons. It's about giving your body the right support. And these 5 essential vitamins? They're a great place to start. Start small, eat smart, stay active, and most importantly, take care of the muscles that take care of you. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, science-backed health tips. And as always, talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Thanks for watching. And here's to aging strong, one vitamin at a time.